What's up guys, TechGave here with a $50,000 gaming setup build. The setup will be $10,000 and the gaming PC will be $40,000, so without further ado, let's get started. The chair I want is the Herman Miller Embody chair. This is a $1,460 chair. It has many colors to pick from, go with the color you like. This Embodied is designed to enhance health and improve focus and provides ergonomic support for people that sit more than 4 hours a day. The seat and the backrest are constructed using a dynamics matrix of pixels that respond to the body's movement and prevent heat buildup. The back support starts at the base of the spine with integrated sacral support. The back fit adjustment allows the backrest to be fine-tuned to align with the spine's natural curve. This Herman Miller Embody chair is backed by their 12-year 3-shift warranty and ships fully assembled, which is really nice. Next up, for the desk I want is the Apex Desk Elite Series 71-inch electric height adjustable standing desk. This is the light oak top with a white frame, which is currently going for $600. There's like 6 different colors to choose from. Pick the color you like. The height adjustable is from 29 inches to 48 inches in 1.3 seconds. This is a really nice desk if you like to stand and edit, or even if you like to game. For the monitors, I went with 3 Acer Predator 34-inch curved ultra-wide Quad HD NVIDIA G-Sync ultra-wide curved screen monitors. These are currently going for $1,031 on Amazon, and I went with 3 of these. These are 34-inch curved 21:9 aspect ratio monitors. It has a resolution of 3440 by 1440 and 233mm pixel pitch. It comes clocked at 60 Hz, but you can overclock it up to 100 Hz, which is really good for gaming. And to hold all 3 of these monitors, I went with 3 Logitech single LCD arm stand monitor mounts. Each of these go for $143. These arms easily adjust to support an ergonomically correct workstation. You can sit more comfortably at your desk while reducing neck and eye back strain. These arms extend and retract. They also rotate to landscape or portrait mode. Again, these are going for $143 on Amazon, and I went with 3 of these. Next up, for the keyboard, I went the Razer Deathstalker Ultimate Gaming Keyboard, currently going for $211. These are Razer's award-winning keyboard. The Razer Switchblade UI features a wide array of applications such as social media applications, game-enhancing applications, and game-specific applications. It features a 10-key rollover in game mode. I paired the gaming keyboard with the Logitech G9X programmable laser gaming mouse with precision grips. This is currently going for $238. This mouse features interchangeable grips. This lets you choose a fit and feel that's best for your playing style. It also features a weight tuning system that gives you up to 28 grams of extra weight for personalized feel and control. It also features custom color LEDs that let you match your mouse to your PC, your game, or your style. Now, underneath the keyboard and the mouse, for the mouse mat, I want the Razer Goliath Control Gravity Extended Mouse Pad, which is currently going for $35 on Amazon. This goes really good with the keyboard, not so much with the mouse. For the headphones, I went with the AKG Pro Audio K812 Pro Superior Reference Headphones. These are currently going for $1,156. These feature large 53mm transducers with ultralight voice coil for frequency response up to 54 GHz and a 36 OHM impedance. And to place this headphone, I went the wooden Omega headphone stand, which is currently going for $34 on Amazon. This is a walnut finish. There are different finishes you can pick from, but I went with the walnut just because it goes with the desk. And for speakers, I went the Audio Engine A5 Plus powered desktop speakers. This is currently going for $433 on Amazon. This is a really good pair of speakers. There's 2 different colors you can pick from. There's black and white. Go with the color you like. These Audio Engine 5 Plus powered speakers deliver audiophile quality sound that features at a price that continues to set the standard for affordable, high quality audio. With custom Kevlar woofers. For the microphone, I went the Audio Technica AT4047 SV Cardio Condenser microphone. This microphone is currently going for $699 on Amazon. This is designed for critical studio, live sound, and broadcast applications, but for gaming or any other specific need like YouTube or anything like that, this is perfect. It'll give you really good crystal audio, which is very important in videos. It has a wide dynamic range and a high SPL capability with exceptional low self-noise. It has a dual diaphragm capsule. And to hold this microphone, I went with the Rode PSA-1 swivel mount studio microphone boom arm, which is currently going for $100 on Amazon. If you pick this microphone boom arm up, you can attach it to your desk and it'll look much cleaner instead of having it on your desk. It'll just snap onto the side and have it like a floating microphone. Now for these microphones to work, you would need an audio interface, and the audio interface I went with the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 2nd generation USB audio interface. This is the #1 bestseller, and I actually recommend these. I will be picking these up very soon. My microphone is about to die, so I will be picking up this for my next audio upgrade. This is currently going for $100, and to connect the audio interface to the microphone, I went with the Likes Pro Balance XLR cable. This is a premium series microphone cable, which is currently going for $14 on Amazon. This is a 15 feet cable. You can go much shorter or much longer depending on how clean you want your setup. The more longer it is, the more flexibility you have when doing cable management. This gaming PC build cost around $40,000. So without further ado, let's get started with the Corsair Obsidian 900D. This is going for $340 on Amazon. This case includes a 120mm AF12L and a 140mm exhaust fan. It has a brushed aluminum front fascia with full cast aluminum surround structure front and rear. It also includes a 5 radiator mounting points and up to 15 total fans mounting locations. For the power supply I went with is the EVGA Supernova 1600 watt T2 80 plus titanium fully modular power supply. This power supply is going for $386 on Amazon. This is 80 plus titanium certified. This is a really good power supply which will be enough to power all the components in this system. For the motherboard I went the Asus Z10 PED16 WS LGA 2011 version 3 server motherboard. This motherboard is currently going for $486. And for the CPU I went with is two Intel Xeon E5 2699 V4 CPU, which is currently going for $1,750. And I went with 2 of these, which adds up to 44 cores, 88 threads, and 110 megabytes, combining clock speeds up to 4.4 gigahertz, which is incredible. Now cooling these 2 CPUs, I went with the Noctua NH-D15-6 heat pipe with dual NF A15 140mm fans. These are currently going for $85 on Amazon, and these are really nice heat sinks that will be really good for cooling these CPUs. For RAM, I want the crucial 256GB RAM, 4 64GB sticks that are clocked at 2400 MHz. For the graphics card, I want the Nvidia Quadro P6000. Now, normally you can't buy these on Amazon, so I had to get it from the PNY website. You can go ahead and check them out. And I went with 2 of these in SLI mode. For storage, I went with the Samsung 960 Pro Series 2TB M.2 internal SSD, currently going for $1,500 on Amazon. I also paired it with the Samsung 850 EVO 4TB 2.5-inch internal SSD, which is currently going for $1,400 on Amazon, combining the total at 6TB of storage, which is really nice. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. This video was just for fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. All the links will be in the description down below, and I will see you all in the next video.